Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to make Instagram account private. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step is to open the Instagram app on your device. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. This step is very important. You need to make sure that your account type is switched to personal if you want your profile to be private. So if your account type is a personal type, then skip this step. But if it's not, you have to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Open the settings and privacy. Then tap on creator type and control. Scroll down, tap on Switch Account Type. After that, you want to select Switch to Personal Account, and then confirm it here. Now that we've switched to a personal account type, let's make our account private. Go back to the settings page and click on the privacy option. On the very top, you should see a private account option, so enable it. And now your Instagram account will be private. So only your followers will be able to see your posts, reels, comment on them. And you can also accept follow requests and choose who can follow you on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.